Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 2x KO game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, crashing, black screen lagging or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox and select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check for 2xK update. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to check and play the game whether it's working or not. If not, next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, open settings, then click on system, then click on storage option on Xbox, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, you have to select clear system cache and finally confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to the profile and system, then click on settings and click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, select device and connections, then select Blu-ray, select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. After that, check the game is launching or not. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press the Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next is to reinstall 2xKoi game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and then select the all option. Here select the game and then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open 2xK official website and download the game, and after that try to play it and see whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. Even you can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.